And now, for all you crazy gamers out there who think there have never been enough female protagonist characters in gaming, a reality check.
Adesica, Nona, Rosella, Alina, Hatsune Miku, Lioness, Mackenzie and Freya, and Beatrix and Eiko, Megurina, Luca, Celeste, then Marta and Sypha and Farrah, Cecilia, Jill, Valentine, Maya, Garnett, Aya, Brea, Chris, Lightfield, Amelia, Dol, Agrius, Rafa, Junon, and Colette, Nakaruru, Shantota, Lucia, Leona, Emilia, Acelis, Yuna, Luna, Kuno, Ichi, Fina, Cat, Ruti, Mary, and Philia. Miriam is Pac-Man, Red Outfit, Gurmi, then Nadia, and Irene Liu. Opera, Presses, and Lindis and Jenna, then come Piranha and Mew, Tengar Kasumi, Cornet Lady, Bugmia, Hamtara, Elson Papri, Tom Gill, Rydia, Charlotte, and Lara Croft, Monica, Kid, and Chun-Li, every female ruler you play in Sephora, and then Samus, well that's a no-brainer, Josephine, Alex, Transpira, and Jaden, all female Pokemon trainers. There's Lightning and Eri, Rose and then Sammy, and then Goku's granddaughter Pan, Princess Erika, Bianca, Lucia, but only if you buy your games in Japan. Marlon, Miyaka, then Isla, then Luca, then Blaze, Ronnie, Belle, and Eris. The version with clothes, Athena and King, Alyssa, Stewart, and Ferris. Lissandra, Irelia, Karma, Quinn, Poppy, Soraka, Lux, Lulu, Diana, Caitlyn, Cassiopeia, Fiora, Annie, and Sona, Jinx, Nami, Tristana. There's Reina and Terra and Relma, Mikaya, Bayonetta, Maria Reynard, and Lena and Alice, Masuya, Baraduka, Tower of Dragas, Ishtar, Sonia, Sona, that is an overused name. Tifa and Tifa, there's only two Tifas. Valis is from her own game. Any game where you make your own character, that applies to male or female gamers. That's a good chunk of the video game library. So when they tell you they're not represented, kindly go tell them to learn about gaming, pick up a controller, and play.